Emergencies can happen to anyone. Are you ready?
I have an emergency supply kit and my emergency evacuation plan, so I am ready. Hi, I'm Crystal, and this is my support staff, Tiffany.
Hi, I just wanted to let you know that we filmed this during the COVID-19 pandemic. We formed our own social bubble so that we could work together without having to wear a face mask.
To make sure that I stay safe, even after COVID, Tiffany helped me to write a safety plan, and I also have an emergency bag. Tiffany, can you talk about what emergency is?
Sure, an emergency is anything that happens unexpected and sudden that makes you have to act quickly, like a fire. That would be an emergency. If it was raining so much that we got flooded out, that's an emergency. An earthquake is definitely an emergency. Things of that nature. There's a lot of places on the web that you can go to find a list of what to put in your own emergency bag. This bag is for one person. If there was more people, we would need other bags full of more supplies. You should think about 5 areas of supplies when you buy or make your own bag. First aid and hygiene, food and water, tools, light and communication, warmth and shelter.
The most important things to put in your supply bag are an emergency first aid kit and a hygiene bag. In the tool kit, we have glove, a pocket knife, a whistle and a compass, a rope, a pencil and pad, and a sewing kit.
In our lights and communications kit, we have a mini lantern, we have a radio, a phone charger, and a flashlight. We have a glow stick, and we have goggles. We're able to charge our phones on our little flashlight. And in another part of our bag, we have water, high-calorie food bricks, and water purification tablets in case we need to make our own clean water.
In our shelter and warmth kit, we have emergency tube tent, an emergency sleeping bag, some matches, emergency poncho, and a body and warmth.
When you're getting ready to leave in an emergency, don't forget to bring your identification card, your credit cards, medicine and prescriptions, family, friends, phone numbers and address list, your change of clothes. However, if you're told to leave your home right away, you want to grab your emergency bag, your identification card, money, and your best walking shoes and get out the door.
Tiffany helped me make this emergency plan. My plan covers all things like where to go, who to call, where to find shelter for an emergency, and all important things. If you don't have your emergency bag or an emergency home safety plan, you should ask your support staff to help you. Remember, being prepared is the way to stay safe during an emergency.
Depending on where you live, you may not need all of these items in your safety kit. Ask your support staff if you need items like a compass, knife, matches, or a sewing kit.